Hi! Welcome to our series on cruising, where we will be sharing all the information about the different cruise port of calls all over the world. Today we're heading to a city known for its stunning blend of sea and mountains, and of course its world-famous beef, Kobe, Japan. If your cruise is stopping here, you are in for a smooth and convenient day. This guide will give you the full accurate rundown on the Kobe port terminal, including how to get into the city and what you must see. Let's get started. This port is located at Shinkocho in Kobe's Cho Ward. Check the description below for the full address and useful links. Kobe is a dock port. You simply walk off the ship directly onto the pier. No waiting for tender boats. And the walk to the terminal building itself is very short. The Kobe Port Terminal is a modern, multi-story building. On the second floor where you enter, you will find the spacious arrivals hall, information desk with helpful English and Mandarin speaking staff, restrooms and sitting areas. Free Wi-Fi is available here, making it a great spot to get your bearings. Sometimes there will be pop-up souvenir shops or marketplaces as well. The city centre isn't immediately at your doorstep like in some ports, but it's incredibly easy to reach. Here are your transportation options. Option 1. The free shuttle bus. This is a fantastic and convenient service provided by the port. A free shuttle bus will take you from the terminal directly to a central drop-off point. Usually it's near the Daimaru Kobe, located opposite the Motomachi shopping street, which is also very close to the entrance of Nankin-machi Chinatown. This is the easiest way to get to the heart of the action. Just look for the signs and queues outside the terminal. Option number 2, the Portliner train. If you miss the shuttle, your next best option is right outside. The Portliner Port Terminal station is located at the cruise terminal. This automated train line runs directly to the Sanomiya station in just about 5 minutes. Option number 3, the taxi. Taxis are readily available at the terminal rank. This is a great option if you are in a group or have limited mobility and want to go straight to a specific destination, like a Kobe beef restaurant. Option 4, on foot. It is possible to walk, but be prepared. It's about a 20 to 25 minute walk to the central Sanomiya area. This is a nice option only if the weather is good and you enjoy a good walk. So what are the must-see sights in Kobe? Thanks to the free shuttle, this vibrant and delicious area will be your first stop. It's packed with food stalls, which is perfect for trying multiple snacks. The Sanomiya district is your gateway to the city. This is the main commercial and entertainment hub, packed with shops, restaurants and department stores. Try the Kobe beef, this is a must-do. The Sanomiya area is filled with renowned Kobe beef restaurants. Do your research ahead and book in advance as they are very popular. You can also take a short train or taxi ride from Sanomiya to this iconic waterfront park. The panoramic view from the port tower is spectacular. And here are some general tips to take note of while in Japan. Number 1. Cash is king, so please have plenty of Japanese yen. ATMs at 7-Eleven are foreign card friendly. Next, wear comfortable shoes as you will be walking a lot. Number 3. Use Google Maps. This is a game changer for navigating Kobe or Japan in general. Not only will it give you perfect public transport directions, but it can also show you the best station exits to avoid stairs or to find elevators. And download the Kobe area on Google Maps for offline use, just in case. Last but not least, public trash cans are rare in Japan, so carry a small bag for your personal trash. Japan has very strict custom laws. Here is what you absolutely cannot bring ashore from the ship. When carrying gold bullion or gold products exceeding 1 kg into Japan, please declare them at the customs. For the most current and complete list, always check the official customs website or with your cruise line before you disembark. Violations can result in heavy fines and arrest. When in doubt, declare it or don't bring it. To summarize up, you're docking at the modern and efficient Kobe Port Terminal. Take advantage of the free shuttle bus to Chinatown for the easiest start. Be mindful of customs laws, wear comfortable shoes, bring cash, and get ready to experience the sophisticated charm of Kobe. We hope this accurate guide helps you plan an incredible day in Kobe. If it was useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Please share with us in the comments, are you most excited to see the view from the port tower or to taste the legendary Kobe beef? Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next pod. Until then, smooth sailing. Bye for now.